Hi guys, today we've got here Yoga Smart Tab and let me show you how to activate developer options. At first you have to open the settings, then find and select About Tablet and click on Android version. Here you will notice a build number, so now you need to tap on it 7 times. And as you can see, from now on you are a developer. So let's go back. And now enter System, where developer options appeared. Click to enter. You can smoothly use all of them, however you like. And then once you want to lock developer panel again, smoothly unmark the stop switcher. They are no longer accessible, and to open them again, you will have to perform the same trick. So you will have to go through build number. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.